This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350 GR is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 7, Colorado Detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, oven, stove top burner, slide-out, spare tire kit, and 110 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350 GR is 12,950 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.